Hey guys, Pancake Poop here, back with another vid. So, today I am going to be doing another raft video. It's actually currently night. So if I go, yep, Pancake. So we made some pretty decent progress last time, I would say. I would say it could be better, but I say we made pretty decent progress. I'll be back. Okay, so here's our weird little raft that we made last time. So, you can actually grab this. So I think today's goal for me is to maybe make a little hut. I'm not sure, but last time at the end we made this. I didn't even look into it. Sorry about the freaking lag. Oh my god. Speaking stuff, I need some water. Yep. Put that more water. So if I combine this. Yep, okay, cool. Guess I'm just gonna eat these raw. I mean, it doesn't make much of a difference. I just messed that up big time. But also my throat's feeling a lot better, so I'm kind of talking louder than last episode. But my throat's feeling a lot better. There are some times, because I do make a lot of videos at night, so there are some times I will have to put my voice back down to that. So, yeah. So I do know how this works. So you put materials in. Once you put them in, you can research stuff. So you can put all of this stuff in. Okay, now I know how to make some things. What stuff did I even want to make? Oh yeah, last episode there is something I did forget to mention. I think that's called like a net. Don't know what you need to make it. Yeah, the collection net. It's super useful. So if I get some nails in here. Where is the wet block? Sand and clay. Oh my god. So much stuff I can learn just by adding nails. Actually. Yep, the collection net, yeah, right here. It is so useful, but it costs so much. So you're gonna see what it does. And eventually, what I like to do is I like to just get like a ginormous line of them. And what it does is it collects items for you. So that's useful. I will be back whenever I got one. Whenever I get one. Okay, here we go. I'm back. So, in a barrel, I got a research table. Also, yeah, I can make this. And, I mean, a blueprint. I'm not really sure what they do. So, if anybody can tell me what they do, that'd be fabulous. If I put one there, here, let me show you real quick. Oh my god, my plastic hook is about to die. Nope, no. Yeah, but you can walk along them as well. I mean, my cooked potato. My cup. So I can know you put these in the research table. And if I put that right there, yeah. That did something, I think. Not really sure what, but I think it did something. Oh yeah, receiver. Now I know how to make a receiver. Okay, nice. Okay, well, I know I need that, so let me get another plastic clip. Okay, nice. Just put that right there for now. I'm gonna grab this barrel. It's probably gonna be the last thing that this plastic hook ever grabs. So, I'm gonna grab that. Oh, surprisingly has not broken yet. Surprise, surprise. Where is it? No, not this, not this. Nope. Never, ever, ever. How do I repair this? 1 point. Okay, that's good enough for me. You, I guess, are not coming here. So, here we go. And this palm leaf is the last thing this plastic hook will ever grab. Or not. I'm surprised this thing is still even holding up. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, like I said last episode, there are islands, but there are also other rafts that apparently people have, like, died on, I'm guessing. Like, they didn't survive. And you can also paddle towards those. Okay, yep. So, and they usually have some pretty good stuff. Like hinges and a couple other things. Hinges and ingots are super hard to get in this because you can't craft them, and that's where they usually come from. So, if, yep. 2 more plastic. Oh no, oh no. How am I always so stupid? Oh my god. Oh yes, finally I caught something. Yeah, that's what it does. It catches stuff. In another world, here, I have an example world. Here, let me go on that real quick and I will be right back. Okay, I'm in the world. Yeah, this is also shark meat. You can use this. It's been a really long time since I've been on this world. Sorry about the freaking lag. Here, look, I've been playing this world so long. These are storage units. I have a lot of them. I think this is I've killed 3 sharks on this world. Like, look at this. Guys, like, this is insane how much crap I have. Look, this is an example. Look, I can just go. See, look, it's so satisfying. So, yeah, I can just do stuff like that. Grab some of this. And look how much stuff it gives you. Like, it is stupidly insane. Ooh. So, yeah, that's the whole point of those. There. And I'll show you an example of a raft. Yeah, you can also get sails. So, if I go like that. Nope, not what I wanted. So you can also get sails that can turn you into a different direction. But they're super hard. But it's super hard to get on these and then get off because they start sinking and then you have to also get back to your boat. So look. And then I'm gonna go eat. Look, and then it starts to sink. Goodbye. What did I get from that? Oh! Metal ore! Okay, you know what? I've never heard metal ore before. And I know this is kind of turning into, like, oh my god, look at this world. Just let me put some stuff up real quick. Let me just clear out my inventory real quick. Yeah, but this road could potentially become something like this. And I'm going to do some things on here, and I will be back in the other world. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, most games I'm going to be playing, I will have to pause to get, to like sort stuff out. So, that's gonna happen. Okay, so, right now, oh, the lag, it's annoying the crap out of me. Stone arrow, what? What? Okay, I'm gonna make a paddle real quick. Can you make a sail? Holy crap, that's a ton of palm leaves. A lot of planks, a lot of palm leaves, so I guess let's get to work. There's a whole stack of palm leaves. That is a lot. In my opinion, an overdose. Palm leaves. You know what? Right now, I don't care about that. I'm gonna try to get us to this raft. Give me a second and I will be over there. No. Guys, I can't do it. My paddle's about to break and it's going too fast. Oh, that's annoying. I don't have much food, so that means it is time for me to make what I like to call a fishing rod. And I need something that I don't have, and that's 4 planks. Ba-dum-bum. And all that bull crap's over there, so I'm just gonna go to sleep. Why ain't I gonna sleep? But this is annoying. Oh, says it's not night. What do you mean it's not night? Oh, well, it's dawn, I guess. Whatever, you don't have to be that specific. There we go. Stuff is starting to spawn in over here. Oh my god. It's night. I don't even see the sun anymore. Here we go. Oh my god. Yep, see, this is why I need planks. It says I'm about to be out of food, and when you run out of food, guess what happens? You die. That's a weird voice. Ugh. Guess what happens? Then you freaking die. You lose on your bow trap. Actually, wait, I'm in easy mode, so I just spawn back on the raft and don't lose anything. Okay, the reason I'm in easy mode is because this is just supposed to be like a little fun series. If you want me to do a hard series where there's no respawn or anything, another blueprint? Food, yes. Place that, eat this. Okay. Remember, I have to about to wrap this video up because the screen recorder that I'm using can only hold 15 minutes. It's already been 12, I think. Yeah, something around that, whatever. But, I guess I'll wrap this video up with some fishing. Maybe. So, yes. Like I said on the first video, I will be showing my inventory. That's me. Another blueprint. I didn't even know. Wait, yeah, I did. I'm dumb. Yeah, you're gonna learn that I'm dumb very quickly. So, let's go fishing. Fishing is so easy in this game. It's so easy. It's stupid. No joke. I love it. Yep. See, just do that. It's so easy. I just do that. Get myself some water. I think the water is the most annoying thing to keep track of in this game. So I'm pretty sure the farther from your raft, the quicker you get the fish. I'm not really sure. I could be wrong because I'm stupid like that. I feel like the shark is about to attack here any second. It hasn't attacked in a little while. Something fishy is going on, if you know what I mean. Yep, told you. Anybody who liked the pun, shout out to them. Anything else right now? Any chance I can research? Okay, so I had to pause because one of my friend's little brother was asking me about something. This video wasn't really that interesting. I guess I'm just gonna make another video right after this one because it wasn't really that interesting. But Pancake Pup out. Adios.